Hi guys, so today's the day that we are going to Boracay! Yeah, but before that, let's have the backstory. So, bago tayo pumunta sa Boracay, kain muna tayo ng dinner because today is December 18, 2025. So, maliligo sana ako pero kain muna daw ng dinner. So, balikan ko na lang ito mamaya.
Ay, di, yung vlog 4 years ago kila
I know that you're trying to fix me, but I don't wanna be like you. If you wanna take it back to the 50s, maybe I'm not the guy for you. You're dying not to work, but work until you die, you know that's true. Have you thought it through?
So, on the way na kami ngayon sa terminal ng bus. May aso. Nakatakot naman. So, ang bus na nasakyan namin ay Joy Bus. Point to point siya papunta sa Clark. So, see you na lang doon guys. Bye! So, doon na kami sa Governor's Park Road Terminal. So, doon na kami sa bus guys.
Everybody expects me to. So you can keep your suit and your tie. Gotta hope that it strangles you. Yeah, I do. You guys, you don't need to impress the ones you hate. That's so fucked up. Cause everything you own just ends up owning you.
We just arrived here at Clark International Airport. Current time is 5:45 a.m. and ang departure ng plane is 9 a.m. So we are 3 hours ahead of our departure time.
Maybe it's you who's upside down. And I'm not like you, I don't think that you get it. Ooh. Dear society, you suck. Am I the only one who's outside of this box? Who cares about your posts? I know they're only fake. Show us what you own and how much money that you make.
So ayun po ano. So dito na tayo ngayon sa Clark
Trying to
Airport.
fix me, but I don't wanna be
And
like you.
it's waiting game for the others.
Good job, pretend that you're the person you wanted to be. You're dying not to work, work until you die. You're dying not to work, work until you die. Dying not to work, work until you die. You're die inside.
Hello guys! So, nakapasa na kami sa baggage inspection and nag-wait kami ng airplane na dumating.
Matagal pa kami mag-antay guys, 9:40 pa.
Sel, tara Boracay. Ayun o. Tara.
Let's go!
Let's go!
Say no, not like you. I don't think that you get it. You should go and get out and make it better. Someone like you should worry about. Maybe it's you who's upside down. Not like you. I don't think that you get it.
Uy, hindi na-scam sa Aira.
Kinakabahan na ako.
Oops! Sticker.
Kakablay na ako.
Hey guys! So we're here at the port of Boracay, Katiklan, Boracay.
Kaya ikaw magsalita, boy.
Ha?
Wala ako sa mood kasi wala pa akong pagkain.
Muna, so wala tayong energy
So, anong-
para magsalita ngayon.
First impression mo sa tubig. May kaibahan ba siya sa tubig sa Dagupan?
Meron, sobrang clear dito. Doon sa Boracay, puro kwan. Ha? Hindi, kwan.
Oo, pero balsa daw.
Trading kwan na lang.
Ang hirap pala nakapunta dito.
Ang daming kwan.
Totoo.
Pero Boracay na tayo ngayon.
Oo. Bakal.
Rakal.
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 Galing yung dito. Ano masaya mo na dito ka nag-OJT?
Dalawa hindi pa siya nakapag-decide dito or sa Burnham daw. So ano nang inaantay natin ngayon?
Nag-aantay tayo ng booking.
Nang? Booking ang... ng Grab, di ba? Outfit check na, outfit check.
Baka hindi muna tayo mag-outfit check ngayon.
Ah,
Bukas pa ang outfit check. Bukas pa.
Hindi mamaya.
Pwede mamaya.
So man ako
Tignan natin kung paano magkikipag-body kung si Kuya Patrick mamaya.
may kipag?
Body shot.
So ito guys, sasakay na kami sa van papunta sa hotel. Hopefully ito na yung last na sasakyan namin. Unless may iba kang gustong sakyan, Renzel.
Oo.
Saan tayo kakain?
Nag-aantay na tayo. Ano sulit din, no?
Di siya na-scam.
Yes. Ay, hindi ka na-scam. Scam yung isa.
Sino? So ano naman ang first impression mo sa dagat nila, boss?
Maganda.
As a seaman student.
Maganda.
Yun lang?
Nakakakuan. Peace.
Ano nakaka-tease? Ay, peace. Nakaka-calm. Ba't sa dagupan? Anong nakaka-stress?
Nakaka-stress.
Ikuha nga daw yun.
Uy, Siren ha. Wala akong sinabing ganun,
Wala
no?
tayong sinabing ganun.
Siren.
Kanina kasi.
Sabi ko rin,
Uy, Club Galaxy boy.
ito, foreigner na
We're
So,
here at
dito namin sa hotel, guys.
Aerosuits.
Naka-video na yan.
So, malayo pa kami sa beach. Maglalakad kami to go beach. Saan daw yung pan? Dadaanan?
Ha?
Saan
Hindi,
daw yung
makakaroon ka dyan. Tapos yun nga. Budget mart. Harap kami na ako kayo. Kain muna tayo bago sa beach.
Nagugutom kami, guys.
Sorry.
Ay, ano yung sinasabi mo hong-hong?
Oo, ito yung pwede nating sakyan pag ganon.
There's nothing wrong with that. Tripping, yeah, we all lose track. I wouldn't mind it if I find it. There's nothing wrong with that. Don't have to be an acrobat. I wouldn't mind it. Should I find it? All my life, it's been up and down, but always comes back to you. Didn't ask for any favors. It seems too late. Love is strong, but some things you don't wanna pass on. Didn't ask for any favors. You don't know me the way that I know you. Tell me what you like. Please tell me what you like. There's nothing wrong with that. Tripping, yeah, we all lose track. I wouldn't mind it if I find it. There's nothing wrong with that. Don't have to be an acrobat. I wouldn't mind it. Should I find it? Oh, Father, please come to my rescue.
Let's go!
Let's go, guys!
There's nothing wrong with that.
Wait! So, hello guys!
Yeah, we all lose track.
Swimming kami, guys.
I wouldn't mind it if I find it.
Big friend!
There's nothing wrong with that. Don't have to be an acrobat. I wouldn't mind it. Should I find it? There's nothing wrong with that. Tripping, yeah, we all lose track. I wouldn't mind it if I find it. There's nothing wrong with that. Don't have to be
tatlo lang yung andito. Kasi napagod sila tulog. Ayaw nilang maligo. Kasi pagod daw sila. Eh, Boracay na to, mapapagod pa ba sila?
Yan.
Di ba ganun yun?
Dapat walang pagod.
Walang pagod. Dapat worth it ang sulitin ang pagpunta dito. Sa pinaka baba.
So yun guys, so lilipat muna kami ng station. Saan muna kami? Tron, Dallas. Pero kunin muna namin yung sinelas namin kasi baka mawala.
Shit, ang ganda!
Grabe guys, yung sand nila dito parang gatas, powdered milk. Sobrang soft. Look at that.
Kung makibalibol tayo, ay football.
So medyo lumamig na yung tubig dito guys. Ouch. Aray ko. Medyo malaki na rin kami sa dalampasigan eh. Tara sa lalim.
So dito kami sa Boracay guys. Dalawa ako.
So babalik na kami ngayon guys sa hotel para maligo at mag-change outfit para sa sunset mamaya.
Oras na. Oh, isang oras na lang.
Sakto. Bilis ako maligo.
Kal.
Hi guys! So we are now back in our room. And hindi ako nakapag-room tour kanina, pero basically, this is already our room. So tatlo kami dito. So mag-isa ko dito sa isang bed. Then yung dalawa dyan, si Renzel tsaka si Jemriel. And we have here the sofa. There, the sofa. We have our TV. This our CR, which is a very, very big CR. Kasi i-separate yung toilet tsaka yung shower. Pero actually, the shower is so big. So sabay sila nag-shower kasi we also have here the ref, the aircon, we have here the cabinet, and yeah, we have here the telephone and the socket. And that's basically our room. It's a very small room, but yeah, it's comfortable, it's secured, so there's no problem with our room. So yeah, this is our quick room tour. Yan ang outfitan. Sheesh! Outfit check. Ano inspiration ng outfit mo ngayon, bossing?
Para sa kanya, boss.
Para sa kanya?
Mamorma ka niya siya.
Samantalang ako, black t-shirt.
Napakakalas.
Grabe, parang nakakaya namang tumabi sa'yo, boss.
Wala, boss.
Sige, vlog pa rin tayo para may ma-content. Wait lang, asan na yung nakukunin ko? Kunin ko tong camera na to. Magrelo lang ako, bossing, para naman makita natin yung oras. Hi guys, and it's another hour, it's not another day, and we're going back to Station 3 to take some photos of the sunset, but I do not know if there's sunset because as you can see it's raining and the weather is not going with us. So Let's hope that the rain will go so that we'll be able to take pictures of the sunset here in Boracay. But if not, our other agendas today is to have our hairs braided and also to have some henna tattoo on our arms. So yan. So this is Station 3 Talipapa building. So it's a very beautiful scenery. It's like in an anime. And look at that 3D glasses. Nakakatakot tumawid kasi walang pedestrian lane. Say hi. See you guys on the beach. Oh my god guys, nakikita nyo na ba ang color yellow? Ang color yellow na sunset dito sa Boracay.
Ito na ako dito sa sinunod mo, pre.
Ayan na siya guys, yung yellow dyan sa dulo. That's the sunset. It's like a painting. Grabe, ang ganda ng
Sino mo
forma.
si Sam?
Wala mag-picture sa'yo, sorry.
Laki ka po.
Sorry, walang
Boss,
mag-picture
boss.
sa'yo, sorry. Look at that.
Look at that.
Nasuzoom ba to?
Hindi. Nasuzoom.
Tap and hold to adjust digital zoom. Nasuzoom. You know.
Yun, no?
Look at that. Look at that, guys. That's the fucking sunset, man.
Kulang pa.
But nawawala na yung yellow. Yun, no? Wala na. Natakpan na. Ito guys, picturean natin isang model. Oh, yun naman, ang ganda ng pagkakakuha ko. Oh, panis. So wala yung sunset guys, hindi namin naabutan. Ewan ko hindi namin naabutan or hindi talaga siya lumabas. Kasi biglang umulan, pero yan, look at that view. Maganda pa rin siya guys. So ngayon, maghanap kami ng pwedeng pagpatatuhan or pagbraidan or yung pag-shoot ng basketball. So yan. Ganda.